Hi everyone, so I decided to vlog today because I'm actually heading to London in about half an hour. I'm leaving the house and I wanted to vlog like I usually did. I know I haven't posted a video in ages, I haven't vlogged in ages, but yeah, just thought it would be nice to bring you along and vlog my trip. This is my airport outfit. I'm going to be wearing my Vans. They're downstairs. I'm just wearing these like joggers from, I can't say the name. It's like Femme Lux, I think. I did like a collab with them on my Instagram. I always do them. I have another one over there that I need to take pictures for. But they're just from there. They're super comfy. And then I'm just wearing this top from Penny's or Primark, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, super casual. Here's my stuff that I'm bringing. That sock, I always put the sock over my camera so it doesn't get scratched. So yeah, but I'm excited to go, so let's go. We're in Brighton. We're trying to find somewhere to eat now, but we're here. We got the ice cream that Zoe and Alfie always get. Yay! I don't know if you can hear me, but I can confirm that the ice cream is nice. So go get it. My dad thinks it's nice too, so yay. We just got to the car park. My feet are about to fall off. And yeah, I got some Dum Dum donuts because that was another thing that Zoe talked about in her vlog and I always wanted to try. So we have donuts. Although I wasn't hungry, so I didn't eat any, so I'm just bringing them home. But yeah, we're in the car, almost. I think I did like, I'm gonna actually check, hang on. I did, come on, work with me here, 15,429 steps. That's me done for the week. So I thought I would vlog the donuts that we got. I don't know what they are, but those two are the ones that I chose. I think we're just gonna cut them up and try them all. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these. Also, I wanted to say that I actually love Brighton. I definitely have to go back there and maybe like stay in a hotel somewhere. But it was really, really good. So if you haven't been, go to Brighton. Definitely in like a sunny weather. Yes, that's me in the background. I went to Co-op. I got some coffee. I got some bread. And then I got lots and lots of berries because I love berries. It's like 26 degrees outside and I can't breathe. It's that warm. So I'm just gonna sit here and chill, wait for my dad to get home from work. And then, wow, those are good. And then I don't know what we're doing, but I've been so bad at vlogging. I've actually been so bad. And yesterday my dad was like, should you vlog this part? I'm like, I should, yeah, I really want to show it. So yeah, I feel like I have to just get back into it. It's really loud because I have the windows opened. But yeah, I will talk to you soon. So as per usual, I didn't end the vlog. I know, it's terrible. But it's the next day and I'm back home now and I just thought I would show you the things that I like bought whilst I was away. It's not like a crazy amount of things, but still wanted to show you what I got, so I'm going to do that right now. So the first thing that I have here is these. If you watch like Mrs. Hinch, you know what they are. Basically like cleaning cloths. I ordered these a while back and they didn't deliver to Ireland, so I just ordered them to my dad's house. So I got all these and they're cool because they're in like different colours and all. So so I'll be using those for my cleaning purposes. And I also got these. I've never used these before, so I'm excited to give these a go. So yeah, those are the cleaning things that I got. I then went to Primark and I literally got like 2 things. Or did I get more? No, I literally got earrings, which look like this. They're just like hoops and they were £1.50. And yeah, I thought they would be really nice for holidays or just for nights out. And then I also got a skirt. It's like a midi skirt. And it has like a slit here. And then it's just like, it just has a zip. But yeah, It's nice and flowy. Yeah, it's really nice. I like it, and I can't wait to bring it with me on holidays. Then in the airport I got this book because I have one up there. It's really out of focus, but I have one in there, and that's the next the next book after the one I already read, as you can see right here. And yeah, I was planning on reading it on the flight, but I literally got on the plane and I felt so sick for, I don't know why, like for no reason. So I put my earphones in and I was just listening to music because I just couldn't, like, I hate the feeling of feeling sick. So yeah, I didn't read anything, but again, as I said, I'm going to bring it on holidays with me at the end of the month. Not the end of the month, in August. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a read because I really loved the story. So yeah, I'm going to read that and let you know what I think. And then also in the airport I got the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray because I ran out of my one, and the one that I have now is like a travel sized, but I want to keep that for holidays and not use it like on a daily basis, so I just bought the big one. And yeah, this is the best setting spray ever. And then one last thing I got is some Topshop Jamie jeans. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that they're my favorite jeans of all time, and you have to get the Jamie ones. They're just the best. So yeah, that's everything. And I really wanted to get them actually because they got rid of Topshops in Ireland and I can only order them online, but I wanted to try them on just to see if my size has changed or whatever. So yeah, I think that's everything. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I showed you a little bit of what I got up to. I know I didn't vlog much just because I wanted to spend time with my dad. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Make sure you head over to my Instagram page because I've posted so much there from whilst I was away. So you can see all the pictures over there. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!